Dear student, class 11, subject chemistry, content MS block elements. Dear student, we are going to add this content, group first and group second element, their introductions, electronic configuration, occurrence, some properties whose are anomalous, means anomalous properties of first element of each group, diagonal relationship, periodic properties and their trends. After that, we have also studied sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, sodium chloride, sodium hydroxide, sodium hydrogen carbonate, biological importance from sodium and potassium. So dear student, first group consists only 6 elements which are called alkali metal. First question, why first group elements are called alkaline metal? Because they dissolve in water and form alkaline solution. So they are known as the alkali metals. So dear student, whose elements are classified on this category? 6 element. First is the lithium, atomic number 3, sodium, atomic number 11, potassium 19, rubidium 37, cesium 55, francium 87. Means lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. These elements are classified under the group first, and these elements are called metals, means they have donate electron and have different metallic properties and also dissolve in water and form aqueous solution, and their nature is alkalic, or they show the basic nature, so known as the alkaline metal. Occurrence, these metals are very reactive, so they are found in the nature in combined form, means they form the different type of ores, just like sodium, rock salt, chili saltpeter, soda, feldspar and cryolite. These are the ores of sodium: NaCl, NaNO3, NaAlSi3O8 and Na3Alf6. Potassium, salvin, saltpeter or niter, carnallite and feldspar. These are the ores of potassium. Some also ore of lithium, just like lepidolite. So dear student, these are the ores of some alkaline metals, just like sodium, potassium and lithium. Trend in the variation of properties, एटॉमिक एंड आयनिक साइज. डियर स्टूडेंट, जब हम किसी ग्रुप में अप से डाउन की ओर बढ़ते हैं तब फर्स्ट करेक्टर, नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इंक्रीज होते हैं. नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इंक्रीज होने से नंबर ऑफ सेल्स इंक्रीज होती हैं. नंबर ऑफ सेल्स इंक्रीज होने से एटॉमिक रेडिया इंक्रीज होती है. एटॉमिक रेडिया इंक्रीज होने से फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बिटवीन इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड आउटर मोस्ट सेल डिक्रीज होता है, मीन्स इफेक्टिव न्यूक्लियर चार्ज डिक्रीज होता है. सो मेटेलिक कैरेक्टर इंक्रीज होता है एंड नॉट मेटेलिक कैरेक्टर डिक्रीज होता है. सो इन ट्रेंड्स को लेकर हम डिफरेंट प्रॉपर्टीज़ को आपस में कंपेयर करेंगे, जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि किस तरह एक मटेरियल दूसरे मटेरियल से इंटर रिलेशन शो करता है. एटॉमिक एंड आयनिक साइज, alkaline metals largest in their period and atomic size are group increase, means जैसे ही हम किसी ग्रुप में अप से डाउन की ओर बढ़ते हैं वैसे वैसे क्या alkaline metal completely smaller than atomic size, but also their increase from lithium to francium. Ionization potential, due to their larger atomic size, distance of outermost cell from their nucleus increase, hence their attractions toward nucleus decrease. So balanced electron may be easily removed. This is the cause of their low ionization enthalpy. क्वेश्चन आया, या अल्कलाइन मेटल्स लो आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी शो करते हैं बिकॉज क्योंकि इनके एटॉमिक रेडियाई ज़्यादा और इफेक्टिव न्यूक्लियर चार्ज कम होता है. इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिविटी एंड मेटलिक करेक्टर, ionization potential of alkaline metal is so low because so easily lose electron. Element which form cation by losing electron are called electropositive element, and they are so the metallic characteristic. Therefore, dear student, alkali metals possess strong electropositive and high metallic character. This character increase from lithium to francium, means up से down की ओर मूव करने पर मेटलिक कैरेक्टर इंक्रीज होता है. Electronegativity or decrease up to down, density increase up to down, metal melting and boiling point. Due to weak interatomic forces, these metal and their melting and boiling point are completely low. Color ion and diamagnetic character. The electronic configuration of that ion is the element is similar to noble gases. Means it's release single electron which have in their valence shell. So gain the inert gas character or group. So their lack of an unpaired electron in them, consequently their ion are diamagnetic and colorless. Why alkali metals ions are dimagnetic and colorless? Because the ions of alkali metal release single electron and positive and form positive ions, means they have not have any type of unpaired electrons, means all electrons are in pair and got just like a inert gas behavior. So say, so that we can say that they show the dimagnetic character and their ions are colorless, means their atoms are paramagnetic and form the colored ion. Conductivity and photoelectric effect. All alkali metals good conductor of heat and electricity. Some alkali metals show the photoelectric effect. What is the photoelectric effect? When a suitable ray, sorry, when a radiation of suitable wavelength fall on the any material, then that material emit electrons. This property is due to their low ionization energy. Rubidium and cesium emit electron even on fall of visible light. मीन्स ऐसा मटेरियल जिस पर लाइट पड़ने पर वह उस लाइट के इक्वल वेवलेंथ वाली इलेक्ट्रॉन को रिलीज कर देता है, जिससे इन इनफ्लोरोसेंस या फास्फोरिलेशंस प्रोड्यूस होता है, प्रतिदीप्ति, और उसे हम कहते हैं फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट. दीज metals show the low ionization potential, so gain the radiation of suitable wavelength and release the electron, so release the radiation, means show the photoelectric effect. Physical state. All alkali metals are silvery white and lustrous. They are quite soft. Lithium, which is the hardest among, can be easily cut by knife. Oxidation state. Alkali metal have one S1, sorry, NS1 type of electronic configuration, so release one electron and show the plus one oxidation state. They do not have any tendency to form M2 plus ion because high ionization potential is required to form a removal of another electron. Last, standard electrode potential SEP. The alkali metals have a low or negative value of standard reduction potential. Due to their low electronegativity, they have a strong tendency to lose or donate their valence electron and act as a reducing agent. Reduction potential is highly negative and reducing property increase from sodium to cesium. Ionic radius of lithium ion highly negative and reducing property increase from sodium to cesium. Ionic radius of lithium ion is too small, so its hydration energy is too high. Reducing potential of lithium is thus exceptionally negative and it acts as a strong reducing agent in aqueous solution. Dear student, it is the superficial answer for your 12th class. What is the standard electrode potential? Suppose then you take a jar, take any electrolytes, take a rod of any metals, that rod dip in that solution. So two reactions to be occurred. First, maybe first that metal dissolve on that material, or that liquid dissolve that metals. Means suppose then metal release ion, so reduce the electrolytes, or electrolytes donate the electron, so metal are reduced. Chemical reactivity. Alkali metals are highly reactive. Why they are highly reactive? Because lowest value of ionization energies means ionization enthalpy. Second, big atomic size. What's the result? Low effective nuclear charge. Third, lowest value of heat of sublimation or atomization. So, all alkali metal and their metal groups, the value of ionization enthalpy decrease from lithium to cesium, while atomic size increase. So, chemical reactivity increase as well. We move down the group from lithium to cesium. So, dear student, we perform different type of chemical reactions, just like oxidation, just like hydrolysis, yeah, or hydration, just like reduction, reaction with the halogens, reaction with the ammonia. So, dear student, all alkali metal, when heated with oxygen or different types of oxide, depend upon the nature of metal. They possess a great affinity toward oxygen and tarnish due to formation of oxide. They form a thin layer of hydroxides. All metal react even in limited supply of oxygens to form simple oxide, means monooxide of alkali metals very easily dissolve in water to form hydroxides with the evolution of heat in high amount, means they perform exothermic reaction. Hydroxide of alkali metals are highly basic. They are highly soluble in water and are unaffected by that consumption of enthalpy or entropy or by the heat. However, lithium hydroxide is an exception. Why? Lithium shows the abnormal behavior. We have asteroid, we had a asteroid, which does not readily dissolve in water and get dissociated on heat. So, all alkaline metals except to lithium react with oxygen and form to the oxide and hydroxide. All alkali metal readily react to the water and corresponding hydroxide and evolve hydrogen gas. So, all alkali metal react vigorously with the compounds containing active hydrogen in addition to water, releasing hydrogen. So, dear student, reactivity increase on moving down lithium to cesium. Why reactivity increase? Because the electropositivity character or metallic character or electron losing character increase on moving down in same order. Reaction is so vigorous. In case of heavy alkali metals and evolve hydrogen start burning. Dear student, means पहले रिएक्शन में हमने ये जाना कि जब एल्काइली मेटल ऑक्सीजन के साथ हीटेड की जाती हैं तो वो ऑक्साइड बनाती हैं और वो ऑक्साइड हाइड्रो ऑक्साइड में चेंज होकर क्या करते हैं, एल्केलाइन सॉल्यूशन फॉर्म करते हैं. अप से डाउन की ओर हम जैसे जैसे बढ़ते जाते हैं ये रिएक्शंस का रेट हाई होता जाता है और लिथियम क्या करता है, एबनॉर्मल बिहेवियर शो करता है. जब हम अधिकतर हमने ये देखा कि एल्काइली मेटल बड़ी फास्ट वे पे रिएक्ट करती हैं वाटर से और अपना करेस्पॉन्डिंग हाइड्रोक्साइड बनाती हैं और हाइड्रोजन गैस इवॉल्व होती है. हम लिथियम से सीजियम की ओर, फ्रेंसियम को जैसे की ओर बढ़ते जाते हैं वैसे वैसे पर्टिकुलर मेटल विगरसली इंक्रीज करती है और एक्सेस अमाउंट ऑफ फास्ट वेपर हाइड्रोजन रिलीज होकर जलना शुरू करती है. All alkali metals form white crystalline ionic hydride when react or heated with hydrogen. since MH bond of alkali metal decrease with increase in size. Stability of hydrides decrease and tendency of formation of hydride therefore decrease from lithium cesium. Hydrogen is present in form of hydride H ion minus ion in hydride. They are a strong reducing agent and release hydrogen on reaction with water. Suppose then lithium hydride react with H2O. So these hydrogen release the react with hydrogen and release the hydrogen gas. So alkali metal are complex hydrides such like lithium aluminum hydride LiAlS4 and BNaBH4 strong reducing agent. When these alkaline metals react with halogens, so they form metallic halides which are ionic crystalline solid. All alkali metals dissolve in liquid ammonia to give deep blue solution of high electrical conductivity. All these solutions contain ammoniated electrons that are responsible for the blue color of the solution and ammoniated cations which make this solution electrically conductive. Means alkali metals react with ammonia to form M plus ion and electron are released with NH3. Electrical conductivity of solution is due to ion and electrons. This solution is paramagnetic and of reducing nature. However, more concentrated solution of has color of copper metal and is diamagnetic in nature. देखिए क्वेश्चन कितना अच्छा है. सभी अल्काली मेटल लिक्विड अमोनिया में डिजॉल्व होती हैं और गहरा ब्लू कलर या गहरे ब्लू कलर का डार्क ब्लू कलर का सॉल्यूशंस प्रिपेयर करते हैं. इस सॉल्यूशंस की दो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक हैं कि हाई इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टिविटी शो करता है और इसका कलर डीप ब्लू कलर होता है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वाई एल्केलाइन एंड लिक्विड अमोनिया कॉम्प्लेक्स शो द डीप ब्लू कलर. आंसर, वाई हाई इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टिविटी. तो जाना ये कि जो सॉल्यूशन होता है इसमें अमोनिएटेड मीन्स अमोनिया युक्त इलेक्ट्रॉन होता है, वो जो रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है ब्लू कलर के लिए, क्योंकि सॉल्यूशन में अमोनिएटेड जो कैटायन होता है वह इस सॉल्यूशन को इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टिविटी कर देता है. मीन्स कहा जाए कि इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टिविटी जो सॉल्यूशन की होती है वो आयन और इलेक्ट्रॉन के कारण होती है. आयन किसका होता है? अमोनिया का, और इलेक्ट्रॉन मेटल का. यह सॉल्यूशन किस नेचर का होता है? पैरामैग्नेटिक नेचर का होता है और इसका नेचर रिड्यूसिंग भी होता है. इस तरह से हम कह सकते हैं कंसनट्रेटेड सॉल्यूशन कैसा कलर देगा? कॉपर मेटल के कारण कैसा हो जाएगा? वो डाईमैग्नेटिक में चेंज हो जाएगा. एनामलस प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ फर्स्ट एलिमेंट लिथियम. लिथियम, their size is very small and their atom and ion is so small. Polarizing power of lithium ion is high. Why high? Because its size is so small. This high polarizing power is the cause of covalent character of its compound. Lowest electropositivity character, maximum electronegativity character, and high ionization enthalpy in comparison to other alkali metal. Next, absence of d orbital in their valence shell. Means lithium अपनी जिस ग्रुप में क्लासीफाई किया गया उस ग्रुप में अदर मेटल से एब्नॉर्मल और एनामलस बिहेवियर शो करता है. उसके रीजन 4. फर्स्ट, लिथियम एटम और आयन का साइज बहुत छोटा होता है जिसके कारण इफेक्टिव न्यूक्लियर चार्ज ज़्यादा होता है, जिससे इसकी पोलराइजिंग पावर ज़्यादा होती है और पोलराइजिंग पावर ज़्यादा होने के कारण ये कोवलेंट कैरेक्टर शो करता है. जो सेकंड, इसकी इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिविटी मैक्सिमम, इलेक्ट्रोनिगेटिविटी एंड हाई आयोनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी अदर मेटल से क्या होती है? बहुत ही ज़्यादा होती है. लास्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्लू, they have lack the d orbital in their valence shell. How to say that lithium show the abnormal or anomalous behavior in their physical and chemical properties? Lithium is electropositive than other alkali metal. Other alkali metal, lithium does not readily react with air, does not lose its luster on melting. Lithium is hard comparison to other alkali metal melting and boiling point of lithium are higher in comparison to other alkali metal. Lithium is less reactive and slowly react with water and slowly release hydrogen gas. Lithium fluoride is insoluble in water, whereas fluoride of other alkali metal are soluble in water. Phosphates, carbonates, and oxalates of lithium are springly soluble in water, whereas these salts of other alkali metal are soluble in water. Lithium bicarbonate is more soluble. Its carbonate of other alkali metal are more soluble than their bicarbonates. Lithium slowly react with oxygen to form monoxide, whereas other alkali metal means sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium form peroxide and superoxide. Lithium oxide is springly soluble in water. Its hydroxide is weakly alkaline. Hydroxide of other alkali metal are strong alkalines. Due to their covalent character, halides of lithium are soluble in organic solvent such as alcohol, but other alkali covalent characters does not soluble in alcohol. Hydroxide, carbonate, and nitrates of lithium associate on heating. There is no effect of temperature on such salt of other metals. Uses of alkali metals. So dear student, अभी हमने एनामलेस प्रॉपर्टी को जस्टिफाई किया और क्लूज जाने. लिथियम का साइज छोटा है, पोलराइजेशन जाइंग पावर मैक्सिमम है, इसकी लोवेस्ट इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिविटी करेक्टर है, मैक्सिमम इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव प्रॉपर्टी शो करता है, और लास्ट वन हाई आयोनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी एंड डी ऑर्बिटल ऑप्शंस है. अब कौन कौन से इसने एबनॉर्मल बिहेव शो किए? तो पहला एबनॉर्मल बिहेव, यह लेस पॉजिटिव इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव है अदर एल्काली मेटल से. लिथियम जो है वाटर से स्लो फॉर्म में रिएक्शन करता है और स्लो फॉर्म में ही हाइड्रोजन रिलीज करता है, इसलिए कोई लस्टर प्रोड्यूस नहीं होती. ये अदर से ज़्यादा हार्ड है, इसे चाकू से नहीं काटा जा सकता. यदि बोला जाए तो इनका मेल्टिंग और बॉइलिंग पॉइंट लिथियम का हाइयर है अदर अल्काली मेटल से. लिथियम बहुत कम रिएक्टिव है, स्लो रिएक्ट करता है. लिथियम का फ्लोराइड वाटर में सॉल्युबल नहीं है. फास्फेट कार्बोनेट ऑक्जेलेट, उनके फास्फेट कार्बोनेट ऑक्जेलेट से क्या है, कम सॉल्युबल है वाटर में. लिथियम का बाइकार्बोनेट ज़्यादा सॉल्युबल है, किससे, एल्काली अदर एल्काली मेटल के, किससे, बाइकार्बोनेट से. लिथियम स्लोली रिएक्ट करता है ऑक्सीजन से. लिथियम का ऑक्साइड स्प्रिंगली सॉल्युबल होता है वाटर में. तो इस तरह के बहुत सारे बिहेवियर हैं. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, आफ्टर दैट we are going to separately what are the use of lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium or other alkali metals. First, what are the uses of lithium? जो आपने कैरेक्टर्स पढ़े उसमें जाना कि ये रिड्यूसिंग पावर बहुत ज़्यादा रखता है. तो हम क्या बनाते हैं इसके, इट्स एलॉय है मैनी एप्लीकेशंस. लिथियम लेड एलॉय, इसमें हम प्रिपेयर करते हैं इलेक्ट्रिकल केबल. लिथियम मैग्नीशियम एलॉय से हम प्रिपेयर करते हैं ऐसे कंपोनेंट जिनसे एरोस्पेस में जिन्हें यहाँ यूज किया जाता है, या आर्मर प्लेट में हम उसका यूज़ करते हैं. रिमूव, ऑक्सीजन को रिमूव करने के लिए हम लिथियम हाइड्राइड का यूज़ करेंगे. हाइड्रोजन जाकर ऑक्सीजन को से ऐड होगा और ऑक्सीडाइज होकर उसे क्या करेगा, हटा देगा, मीन्स प्योरीफाई कर देगा. मीन्स मेटल ऑक्साइड को रिड्यूस करने, मेटल ऑक्साइड से मेटल रिड्यूस करने के लिए हम इसके लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड का यूज़ करते हैं. लिथियम कार्बोनेट इंक्रीज करता है स्ट्रेंथ. कैसे स्ट्रेंथ? जो हम ग्लास, वेदर ग्लास लगाते हैं, ऑटो ग्लास, उसकी रेजिस्टिविटी बढ़ाता है. इसलिए एंटी डिप्रेसेंट मेडिसिन में भी इसका लिथियम कार्बोनेट का यूज़ होता है ताकि डिप्रेशन कम हो सके. लिथियम हाइड्रोक्साइड का यूज़ लुब्रिकेंट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में किया जाता है. क्यों? क्योंकि ये कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को एब्जॉर्ब कर लेता है. साथ में हम इसको यूज स्पेस क्राफ्ट ऑफ सबमरीन में करते हैं बिकॉज इट्स आर एब्जॉर्बर ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. लिथियम के डिफरेंट कंपाउंड विटामिन ए की सिंथेसिस में इंपॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट्स हैं. लिथियम एल्युमिनियम हाइड्राइड बहुत चर्चा करी हमने इसकी, LiAlS4, ये स्ट्रॉन्ग रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट की तरह यूज होता है. मीन्स अपन कह सकते हैं लिथियम फ्लोराइड इज insoluble in water. Lithium bicarbonate does not exist in solid state. So can sodium. Sodium potassium alloy used in preparation of pyrometer, measuring high temperature. Sodium amalgam means alloy of sodium and mercury used as a reducing agent. Recently, sodium is used in making sodium vapor lamp. Sodium, liquid sodium is used as coolant in nuclear reactor. It is used detection of sulfur, nitrogen and other halogens. It is used extraction of silicon boron. मैं हमने जाना कि सोडियम पोटेशियम सोडियम लेड या सोडियम से बने हुए एमलगम डिफरेंट सेक्टर में यूज़ होते हैं। ये भी जाना कि सोडियम वेपर लैंप्स इस समय यूज़ की जाती है। साथ में हमने इसका यूज़ कूलेंट के फॉर्म में किया जब हमने सोडियम लिक्विड फॉर्म में लिया। कुछ एलिमेंट्स हैं जस्ट लाइक सल्फर, नाइट्रोजन और हाइड्रोजन, इनको डिटेक्ट करने के लिए हम सोडियम का यूज़ करते हैं। सिलिकॉन और बोरान को एक्सट्रैक्ट करने के लिए मेटलर्जिकल प्रोसेस में इसका यूज़ किया जाता है। पोटेशियम फर्टिलाइजर्स के फॉर्म में यूज़ किया जाता है। इसके द्वारा हम सॉफ्ट सोप भी बनाते हैं। इट इज़ यूज्ड एज अ डिटर्जेंट एंड पोटेशियम साइनाइड का यूज़ हम गोल्ड मेटल के एक्सट्रैक्शन में करते हैं। इसका यूज़ केमिकल रिएक्शन में रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट्स के फॉर्म में किया जाता है। सीजीएम प्रिपरेशन ऑफ फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक सेल्स और रॉकेट प्रोपेलेंट के फॉर्म में हम इसका यूज़ करते हैं। लास्ट वन, what is the biological importance of sodium and potassium? Biological means what is the importance of sodium and potassium in different cytological process, means physiological process of living beings which are associated with tissue, cell or different body organs. Sodium and potassium ions present in biological fluid, means our protoplasm and cytoplasm, play an important role in different metabolic activities. Suppose the young human body contains 90 gram sodium and about 170 gram potassium ions. Sodium ions are mainly present in extracellular fluid of cells and in blood plasma. These ions take part in transmission of nerve signal and in control of water flow to both sides of cell membrane. These ions regulate transport of sugars and amino acid to the cell, because cell membrane is a semi-permeable selective permeable membrane composed of protein lipid protein model. These are have the have the hydrophilic and hydrophobic ends toward and in and outside of the cell membrane. There are these sodium and potassium ion are important role to formation of synthesis of adenosine triphosphate, means ATP. There is a very significant variation in concentration of sodium and potassium ion found on the opposite side of the cell membrane. In blood plasma, sodium is present in extent of 143 milligram in per mole in per liter. Potassium level is 5 milliliter from only. The concentration change in 10 105. These ion gradient demonstrate a mechanism of sodium potassium pump across the cell membrane. It consumes more than one third of ATP used as a resting animal human as about 15 gram per 24 hour. A young man need about 2 grams sodium and 2 gram potassium daily. Dear student, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म्स हमने आपसे डिस्कस किया। क्या डिस्कस किया, रिवाइज करते हैं। डियर स्टूडेंट, सोडियम और पोटेशियम आयन हमारे बायोलॉजिकल में साइटोप्लाज्म में प्रेजेंट होते हैं और डिफरेंट फिजियोलॉजिकल प्रोसेस में बहुत ही अच्छे से पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं। यंग बॉडी में 90 ग्राम सोडियम और लगभग 170 ग्राम पोटेशियम आयन प्रेजेंट होते हैं। सोडियम आयन मेनली प्रेजेंट होते हैं कहाँ पर, एक्स्ट्रा सेलुलर फ्लूइड में एंड और कहाँ, ब्लड के प्लाज्मा में, मीन्स सेल के बाहर जो टिश्यू फ्लूइड होता है और ब्लड के बाहर जो ब्लड प्लाज्मा होता है उसमें सोडियम आयन प्रेजेंट होता है। दीज आयन टेक पार्ट इन ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ नर्व सिग्नल एंड इन कंट्रोल ऑफ वाटर फ्लो इन बोथ साइड ऑफ सेल मेम्ब्रेन। मतलब हमारी बॉडी के द्वारा, हमारी बॉडी में ब्रेन के द्वारा नर्व सिग्नल दिए जाते हैं जिसके द्वारा वाटर के आयन जो H+ और H- को अंदर और बाहर करके उन सिग्नल को भेजा जाता है, और वो कंट्रोल करने का काम सेल के दोनों तरफ ये है सोडियम और पोटेशियम आयन करते हैं। पोटेशियम द आयन रेगुलेट ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ शुगर एंड अमाइनो एसिड टू द सेल। साथ में पोटेशियम आयन कैटायन जो पोटेशियम का होता है वो प्रेजेंट होता है मैक्सिमम अमाउंट में, कहाँ पर, इंट्रासेलुलर फ्लूइड पे। इस तरह सोडियम पोटेशियम केमिकली डिफर करते हैं, कैसे, क्वांटिटिवली, एबिलिटी टू पेनिट्रेट सेल मेम्ब्रेन एंड देयर एफिशिएंसी ऑफ एक्टिवेट एंजाइम्स। मतलब इन दोनों की एबिलिटी ज़्यादा है सेल के अंदर इंटरेक्ट करने की, और जल्दी से जाकर किसको एक्टिवेट करते हैं, एंजाइमों को एक्टिवेट करते हैं। इट आल्सो प्ले इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल इन द सिंथेसिस ऑफ एटीपी। साथ में इनका एटीपी सिंथेसिस में बड़ा रोल है, क्यों? क्योंकि ये ग्लूकोज के ऑक्सीडेशन को इनिटेट करवाने वाले आयंस यही हैं। इम्पॉर्टेंट कंट्रीब्यूशन है किसमें, नर्व सेल में, जो के थ्रू जो मेंटली नर्व सिग्नल ट्रांसमिट होते हैं, साथ में बैलेंस किया जाता है उनके रिदम को, किसके रिदम को, हार्ट बीट को, इन्हीं आयंस की कनेक्टिविटी के द्वारा। Some preparation of important properties of some important compounds like alkyl metal, sodium bicarbonate, or Na2CO3 or 10H2O. Hydrated sodium bicarbonate is called washing soda, and anhydrous sodium carbonate is called soda ash. Means Na2CO3 and hydrated 10H2O, that is called washing soda. Anhydrous means Na2CO3 is known as a soda ash. In India, it is found in sand and saltpeter or Sajji, which is a mixture of Na2CO3, NaHCO3, Na2SO4. It is formed by heating sodium bicarbonate. So, dear students, we take the NaHCO3, heated them and found the Na2CO3 and H2O and release the byproduct of CO2 and H2O. Dear student, physical property. Sodium bicarbonate is a white crystalline substance. Each molecules contain 10 molecules of water of crystallization. Chemical properties. Sodium carbonate reacts with air and produce efflorescence and form a white powder. It lost its water of crystallization, efflorescence, and monohydrated means release 9 water molecules when heated with more than 750 degrees Celsius. It becomes anhydrous by losing its water of crystallization completely and melt as about 852 degrees Celsius. Means Na2CO3 H2O at about temperature 750 on the Na2CO3 and form the Na2CO3 malt. It reacts with water, form alkaline solution. It reacts with the carbon dioxide and form the sodium carbonate solution, milky precipitate of sodium bicarbonate. Uses of sodium bicarbonate. It is used in washing clothes and in dyeing, in softening hard water, in manufacturing of soap, glass paper, preparation of caustic soda in laboratory, and formation of various salt of sodium chloride. The most important source of sodium chloride is seawater. Sodium, it in countries like India, common salt is prepared by evaporation of seawater. 50%, 50 lakh ton salt are produced annually in India by solar evaporation. Impure sodium chloride obtained by crystallization of brine, sodium sulfate, C, calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, or other. Magnesium chloride and calcium chloride are deliquescent, hence salt becomes moist in rainy season. Means magnesium chloride and calcium chloride both are mixed in the sodium chloride. So at the rainy season, these are deliquescent. So the drop of water just deposited on the surface of salt at the season of rain or rainy season. Impure sodium chloride is dissolved in the minimum amount of water after the formation of solution. We filter it and remove the insoluble impurities. Now hydrogen chloride gas is passed through the filter So crystals of pure sodium chloride separated out impurities being more soluble than sodium chloride. Properties: it is white crystalline solid. Uses: it is a common salt or a stable salt for domestic purposes. It is used to form of Na2O2, NaOH or Na2CO3. Soda lime process means caustic soda is prepared by soda lime process. In this process, 10 to 20% of solution of carbonate mixed with the sufficient quantity of slacked lime and heated to 100-degree temperature in presence of steam. Calcium carbonate and caustic soda are formed. Caustic soda remains in the solution while calcium carbonate is obtained by a white precipitate. Solution is filtered and vaporized in large iron container. Sodium caustic soda is obtained with 98% pure. Dear student, we apply the electrical process. We apply the Kastner and Clarer process, Loving process, soda lime process, Solvay Tropsel process, and perform the refining of caustic soda by various extraction metallurgical process. Dear student, properties of caustic soda. Means we are discussing about the physical properties of caustic soda. Means it is a white color, crystalline, extremely deliquescent. What is the nature of deliquescent? At the rainy season, we have discussed before some time. Become wet by absorbing water. Means it is a deliquescent substance. It is highly soluble in water. Produce heat. It is soapy in touch. Solution is alkaline and cause bound then comes to contact with the skin. Hence it is called caustic soda. Chemical properties: it react with water, it react with influence of heat and it's decomposed at a temperature of 1330. React with acid, react with metals, react with halogens, metallic oxide, non-metallic oxide, different salts. Uses: caustic soda in the formation of soap, paper, and artificial silk in making the organic dyes, decolorization of purifying oils, mercerization of cotton thread, reagent in laboratory, absorption of moisture. So, dear student, we have learned the group first element. After that, we are going to study the group second element means alkaline earth metal. Dear student, the element of second group belongs to S block of long form of periodic table. Member of second group following is beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. These elements are classified under the alkaline earth metal means group second S block element. Strontium and barium were called alkaline earth by the chemists of that period as their hydroxide are strong alkalis. Their oxide occur in earth in the crust. They are also unaffected by heat. Later on, when new elements were discovered, they are named alkaline earth metals. Since last electron of these elements is in s orbital, so they are called s block elements. All these elements exhibit maximum similar properties. They have an s2 type of electronic configuration. Means beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. These elements are classified under the alkaline earth metal. Their atomic number: beryllium 4, 12, 20, 38, 56, and 88. They have NS2 type of electronic configuration. Occurrence: alkaline metal, alkaline earth metals are also very reactive. They too are found in the combined state. Magnesium, suppose then beryllium, beryl. Their roots name beryl. Magnesium, dolomite, carnallite, magnesite, and kieserite. Calcium, gypsum, limestone, fluorspar, and fluorapatite. Strontium, strontianite, and celestine. Means celestine is the ores of that element that is known as the alkaline earth metal. Barium, with right and barytite. So dear student, we are going to study the trend in the variation of properties, trend in the variation of properties which are related to their physical and chemical norms and periodic trend. Atomic radii norms are previously we have discussed when we move up to down, atomic radii are increased because cells are increased, number of electron are increased, ionic radii are decreased. Ionization potential when we go up to down, ionization potential decrease because atomic radii decrease, increase. Electropositivity and metallic character when we move up to down, metallic character increase and electropositivity is also increased. They form M2 plus ion because they have only two electron in their valence shell. Density density of alkaline earth metal is so low due to their large atomic size, but dense due to but density to high electrical charge on nucleus. The density decrease from beryllium to calcium, increase to atomic weight, increase the calcium to radium. Hardness. Alkaline earth metals decrease their hardness, increase the atomic weight. Standard reduction potential. Electronegativity of alkaline earth metal is so less, similar to alkaline metals. So their standard reduction potential also have high negative values. They also act as a good reducing agent. Reducing potential become more negative as more beryllium to radium in this group. They show the plus 2 oxidation state. Alkaline earth metal ion of these elements also have electronic configuration just like inert gas. So they do not have any type of unpaired electron. Due to this means absence of unpaired electron in their valence shell. These are diamagnetic in nature and their ion is colorless. So dear student, B comprises some periodic norms, atomic radii, ionic radii, ionization potential or ionization enthalpy, electropositivity and metallic feature, electronegativity and density strand. Physical state means their hardness, standard electrode potential, oxidation state, and their magnetic properties. So, dear student, trend of chemical properties. Similar to alkali metals, alkaline earth metals are also highly reactive because low ionization enthalpy, large atomic size, highly electropositive character, low heat of atomization. It reacts with oxygen and form to alkaline nature oxide react with water and form the MOH coupled twice type of hydroxide react with hydrogen form the calcium. They form the alkaline earth metal hydride. It react with the halogen and form the metal halides. React with the ammonia and form the intermediate complex means coordination compound. Next question is here. Why beryllium show the anomalous behavior of other alkaline metal? The size of beryllium is so small. Value of its ionization enthalpy, electronegativity is higher. Non-availability of d orbital. Being a small size, their ion is have the high polarizing power, so it's form covalent compound. Beryllium is hard, other metal are soft. Beryllium unaffected in air and does not react with boiling water. Beryllium does not release hydrogen gas. Its compound of does not represent the characteristic of colorization and non-luminescence flame. Their sulfides are readily soluble in water. Uses of alkaline earth metal. First, beryllium. Beryllium and copper alloy is used making powerful spring. Means beryllium और कॉपर से के एलॉय से पावरफुल स्प्रिंग बनाई जाती हैं जिन्हें हम कमानी के फॉर्म में यूज करते हैं. हम एक्सरे की जो ट्यूब होती है उससे हम इसी एलॉय से बनाते हैं. मेकिंग कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर. मैग्नीशियम इसे हम सिलिकॉन और बोरॉन ऑक्साइड को रिड्यूस करने में यूज करते हैं. मैग्नीशियम और एल्युमिनियम का के एलॉय एरोप्लेन में यूज होते हैं क्योंकि हल्के होते हैं. ग्रेगनार्ड रिएजेंट RMGX इसे से हम फॉर्म करते हैं. मैग्नीशियम कार्बोनेट से टूथपेस्ट में इसका ज़्यादा यूज़ होता है। मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड एंटासिड के फॉर्म में यूज़ होता है। मेकिंग मैग्नीशियम थ्रेड, फ्लैश पाउडर, फ्लैश बल्ब। कैल्शियम स्ट्रॉन्ग रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट है। मेटल फ्रॉम मेटल ऑक्साइड, एयर फ्रॉम वैक्यूम ट्यूब्स, sulfur from petroleum, water from alcohol, and it is also have the biological importance. Barium deoxidizer, lubricant. In radiotherapy, radium is used in radiotherapy to cure the patient of cancer. Biological importance of magnesium and calcium. Suppose then a young person, it's contain 25 gram magnesium and 1200 gram calcium, 5 gram iron and 0.06 copper percent only. Magnesium ion rank fourth in concentration in human body among the cation. It is present in bones in combined with calcium and phosphate. It is also found in the soft tissue, biological fluid. It maintains osmotic and electrolytic equilibrium and maintain the osmotic pressure. Magnesium ion act as a cofactor in different enzymes and used in form of ATP in form of phosphate transfer. It is present in chlorophyll in plants, take part in photosynthesis. 90% calcium of body is found in the bones and teeth. Calcium ion is very important for coagulation of blood. It consists and control muscle construction. It also help in discharge of hormones. It also play important roles in interneuronal transmission, neuromuscular function, cell membrane integrity. Calcium concentration in plasma is regulated as about 100 milligram per liter. It is maintained by two hormones, that is are calcitonin and parathyroid hormones. Calcitonin, it is a calcitonin and parathyroid hormones. Diagonal relationship between lithium and magnesium. Atomic radii of lithium and magnesium is 152 and 160. Similar. Electropositivity character. Similar. Both alkali metals do not react with air, does not lose its luster on melting. Lithium is hard, magnesium is also hard. Electronegativity of both elements is solo 1.0 and 1.2. Both slowly react with water and slowly release with hydrogen gas. Lithium chloride and magnesium chloride are insoluble in water. Lithium bicarbonate is more soluble. Phosphate carbonate and oxalate of both lithium and magnesium are strongly soluble. Lithium and magnesium are made to react with carbon nitrogen. Lithium and magnesium chloride both are deliquescent. Both are formed the covalent character. Hydroxide carbonate nitrate of lithium and magnesium dissociate on heating, means thermal dissociation. Digoron relationship between beryllium and aluminum. Beryllium show digoron relationship between aluminum and beryllium. Both atomic size are small and high electron density and high electrical charge. Both are electropositive character weak. Their hydroxide are amphoteric. Both are positive with HNO3. Beryllium stable in air, dissolve in NaOH. Aluminum beryllium also react with both. Means we can say that both show the diagonal relationship with each other. Alkaline, what is the difference? And we sorry, we are comprising to description of alkaline metal and alkaline earth metal. First, dear student, the valence shell of alkaline metal have an S1 type of configuration and alkaline earth metal have NH2. Alkaline metals are lustrous, light and soft. Otherwise, they are light lustrous, but they are not soft. Their oxide and hydroxide are strong alkaline. The oxide and hydroxide of alkaline earth metal are alkaline in nature, but lesser than alkaline metal. They are highly reactive, dissociates water vigorously, less reactive. They also dissociate in water. Ions of alkali metals are colorless and diamagnetic due to loss of electron and so the inert behavior. The ions of alkaline earth metal are also colorless and diamagnetic because they donate two electrons and so the inert gas behavior. All elements give flameless test. Only beryllium and magnesium not show the flame test, but all the member of in this group except beryllium and magnesium show that this test. Ionization potential is so low of alkali metals, but ionization potential are high in comparison to alkali metals of alkaline earth metal. Valence is 1, valence is 2. Both form the ionic compound, but alkaline earth metal form covalent compound. Most compounds are soluble in water, except sulfide, oxalate, and sulfate. Most other compounds are soluble in water. So dear students, इस चैप्टर में हमने एल्कलाइन अर्थ मेटल